girls, and welcome to my channel. We'll be doing a tour and review of my Cove Rotana Resort room in this video. This is the reception area and I had just finished checking in. The driver had just dropped me off and was asking him to keep my stuff near the entrance because I needed to take a video. As mentioned in my previous video, there is currently no valet parking due to the current COVID-19 situation. So they led me to the parking lot in their own car and then transferred my luggage and myself to the car and then drove me to my room. The staff here are warm, friendly, welcoming and very helpful. I felt at home as soon as I stepped into this resort. Hey guys, how you doing? I'm finally in Ras Al Khaimah, and when I got into my room, I found a surprise. So guys, I'm finally in Ras Al Khaimah, and when I got into my room, I found a surprise. I have to show you this. Look at this. Wow. Ta-da! I really like it. It's so cute, right? Look at that. Let me turn the camera around for you guys to have a better view. My birthday, guys. It's my birthday. I almost slept on the couch because I didn't want to spoil this. Thank God I didn't, because the bed is super comfy. Okay, now time to take a look at the rest of the room. It has a multi-channel satellite TV, desk, sitting area, love the contemporary Arabic Nubian design influences. Let's have one last look at my beautiful birthday decor before proceeding to a different area. Next day, the D-Day, and yet another surprise. A complimentary from the hotel. They really made my birthday extra special. Hi guys, so I bought myself a little gift, which is Mavic Air 2 Fly Mode combo. I always buy myself at least 1 or 2 gifts every birthday, regardless of the fact that I usually receive many other gifts from other people. I just love leading by example. Okay, let's continue with the room tour. That's the main entrance, and there's a wardrobe that has full-length dressing mirrors right next to it. how the wardrobes look like inside. There's an ironing board, iron, slippers, and weighing scale. Complimentary bottled water, milk, tea and coffee maker, and an electric kettle. Safety deposit box, mini bar, currently empty due to the current COVID-19 situation. They only refill it when you order or request them to for safety reasons. Let's check the bathroom out. There's a trash bin, towels, free toiletries, sink, hair dryer, mirrors, the shower, toilet, bathrobes, and now let's check the balcony out. Wow, what a breathtaking view! All those villas and many more are within the resort. I can't have enough of this view. Not forgetting the cool breeze, ocean wave sounds, chopping of birds. Oh my gosh, it's so therapeutic. This is the evening view. So beautiful. Enjoy the beautiful view. I love watching sunrises and sunsets. Let me know if you do in the comment section below. stay here extra special, and I'm grateful for that. They also gave me a 30% discount and further surprised me by upgrading me from a deluxe king room to a premium king room with free breakfast for the entire stay. The staff were welcoming, helpful, friendly, and ensure that all the guests are comfortable and enjoying their stay. Based on this, I'd rate them 9.5 out of 10 and would recommend them any day, anytime. Time to take an evening walk. This is right outside my room. I'll be doing the videos in parts because I don't want to make them too long, and then I will keep them in the Cove Rotana Resort playlist. Let me know if you've been to the Cove Rotana Resort Ras Al Khaimah and how your experience was like in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for part 2.